I'm going to continue fractional numbers exercise 4.3. Take out page number 64. Fill in the blanks. It's very easy. 2 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 5. 2 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 5 is 4 over 5 into, see which number is left here. 4 over 5 is already there, 2 over 3 is left. So here it will come 2 over 3. Got it? Similarly 1 over 3 into 7 over 8. 7 over 8 into which number will come? This is already here. So 1 over 3 will come. In all the parts you have to do like this only. If it is like this, 4 over 5 into bracket 7 over 6 into 8 over 9, 4 over 5 multiplied by dash into 8 over 9. See here, 4 over 5 is already there, 8 over 9 is already there. What is left? 7 over 6. Got it, students? Anything multiplied by 0 is always 0. 6 2 over 5 into 0, that is always 0. Now see the part. Second question, multiply 3 over 4 into 7 5 over 6 and second part 7 5 over 6 into 3 over 4. Verify that the answer in both the cases is same. You have to solve it. 3 over 4 into 7 6 are 42 plus 5 47 over 6. See the cancellation. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Any more cancellation? No. 47 1s are 47. 4 2s are 8. Second part is 7 5 over 6 into 3 over 4. First we have to change it. 7 6 are 42 plus 5. 47 over 6 into 3 over 4. 3 1s are 3 2s are. Again 47 over 4 2s are 8. Both the answers are same. We will write hence proved. The answers in both the cases are same. The answers in both the cases are same. Understood all of you? First you have to find their product. Answer is 47 here 8. Again you find these two products. Answer is 47 over 8. Both the answers are correct. So we have proved that both the answers are correct. Next third question is same. So you can do it yourself. Notes I have sent in the campus here. Make your copy neat and clean. Your copy should be neat and clean. Now see next exercise 4.4. 4.4. I am explaining the chapter on the blackboard. Notes you can see in the campus here. Find the perimeter of a rectangular field whose length and breadth is given. What is length given? 14.5 meter. What is breadth given? 10 2 over 3 meter. You know what is the perimeter of rectangular field formula? Perimeter of rectangle. What is perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length. You have to use this formula here. 2 multiplied by what is length here? 14.5 plus breadth is 10 2 over 3. Now you have to change it into improper fraction. 14 2s are 28 plus 1, 29 over 2 plus 10 3s are 30 plus 2, 32 over 3. Now take the LCM. 3 and 2, 6 LCM. In 2 how many times 6 come? 3. 29 3s are. You have multiplied in the rough column. 87 plus 3 2s are 6, 464. 2 multiply by bracket means multiply. 151 over 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 151 over 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 not divisible 0, 1/3 meter. This is the answer. Length is given, breadth is given. Use the formula perimeter of rectangle 2 length plus breadth. Add it by taking the LCM. Then you multiply it with this. We will get the answer. All this clear, students? Yes. Now come to the next question. Cost of electric bulb. Cost of one electric bulb. What is the cost of one electric bulb? It is given to you rupees 6 1/2. We have to find the cost of 50 electric bulbs. For one we have got, for more we have to multiply. This already I told you last time. 6 1/2 multiply by 50. One cost is given to you. For 50 bulbs you have to multiply. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13/2 into 50. 2 1s are 2 25s are. What is 25 13s are? 5 3s are 15, 1 carry over, 3 to 6 and 1 7, 25, 12, 325. Rupees 325. Now come to the next question. Cost of 1 meter of cloth is given. You have to find the cost of 9.5 meters of. Again you have to multiply both. Fourth question also. Aeroplane covers 1200 km in 1 hour. How many distance will it cover it? 4 5/6. You have to multiply both it. Fifth question. Sixth question also you have to multiply. Come to seventh question. Find the area of rectangular field. In third, fourth, fifth, sixth, you have to simply multiply. For one is given cost, for more you have to multiply. Now come to the seventh question. Find the area of rectangle. Now last time we found the perimeter of a rectangular, that is 2 into L plus B. Now area of rectangular field you have to find. Length is given 43 3/4 meter. Breadth is given 31/2 meters. Got it? What is the area of rectangular field? You have to learn the formulas. What is the area of rectangular field? All I think you have forgot. Area of rectangular field is length multiplied by breadth. In area you have to multiply length into breadth. In perimeter you have to bracket L plus B, where you have to add length and breadth. Now 43 3/4 multiplied by 31/2. What is 43? 4s are 12, 1 4 4 are 16. 172 plus 3, 175/4. 30 to the 60 plus 1, 61/2. Any cancellation? No. Then simply you multiply these two. 175 into 61. That is 175. 6 5 are 33. 7 are 42 and 3 45. 4 10. 5 7 6 0 1. 10675 over 4 2s are 8. Now divided by 8. 8 1s are 8. 26. 8 3s are 24. Again 27. You can divide it here. There is no space. 6 7 5 divided 8. 8 1s are 8. 10 minus 8 2. Here 6 will come. 8 3s are 24. 2. Again 7. 8 3s are 24. Again 3, then 5, 8 4s are 32, 3. It is 1334, 3/8 meter square. Units of area is meter square or square meter. All of you understood this sum? Yes. Now come to the next question. Find the area of square plot. Now side is given. See students, side of a square is given. How much? Tan 1/3 meter. We have to find the area of square. What is the formula for area of square? Side square. Side square. Side square means side multiplied by side. Side square means side multiplied by side. Tan 1/3 into tan 1/3. 31/3 into 31/3. What is 31? 31s are 961 over 9 meter square. You can change it into mixed fraction. 9 ones are 9, 6 not divisible 0, 9 6 are 54, 7 1 under 6, 9 7 over 9 meter square. Don't write meter here. For units 1 marks will be deducted. It should be meter square. See the next question. A man earns rupees 755 over 7 per month. He spends 4/5 of his earnings. How much did he save per month? First you will find how much did he spend. From that you will subtract. Got it? See the ninth question. Question number 9. Man earns. How much did he earn every month? Rupees 755 over 7. How much did he spend? He spent 4/5 of his earnings. Of means multiply. Multiply 755 over 7. That is 4 over 5 into, multiply beta 750 by 7. 35, 3, 7 the 49, 50, 52. 5 2, this 5 we have to add. 5 2, 5 5 over 7. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 0 not divisible, 5 5s are 25, 1. So it is 1051 into 4. 4204 over 7. You can divide it by 7. 7 6 are 42. 0 not divisible. 4 also not divisible. Decimal here 40. 7 5s are 35. Again 50. 7 7s are 49. So it is rupees, or you can simply write rupees 600. How much? How much? 600. 5 over 7. Got it? 4 over 7 I think. 1, 7 6 are 42. 0 not divisible. 4 over 7. Got it? No need to change into mixed fraction. Now what he is saying? How much does he save? Why I am not changing to decimal? Because here also 7 is in the denominator. Here also 7 in the denominator. You divide up to here only, up to 4. No need to put the decimal. No need to convert to pies. Now money, we have to find money he saves. Money he saves. How much money he will save? From total, we have to subtract. Got it? So this will be 5255 over 7 minus 4204 over 7. Subtract it. 5255 minus 4204. 1501. That is, here you will write 5255 minus 4204 over 7. That is 1051 over 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35, 0, 1 over 7 rupees. This is money he saves. Last question. Vinod had 45 books in all. 1/5 of the books were written in English. 1/5 of the books means 1/5 multiplied by 45. That is 9. How many books were written in English? That is 9 books. With this we are completing exercise 4.4. In next session I will teach you 4.5 exercise. Thank you students.